Day number 2, and it is pissing down. Wet gears on, bikes out. Let's see what's breakfast. We shared a lovely breakfast with our Airbnb hosts Anya and Ant from last night, just round the corner, in a cute wee cafe. And after full tummies, we decided to hit the road towards our first destination, Devil's Bridge. Sat-nav special. This was a class wee road, it just went up and up. I don't think the camera really picks it up well, but it was so steep. After a little play on the steep hills and tight corners, we reached the end of the road into the heaviest of fog that I think I've ever rode the bike in. We were so high up at this point and there was a massive drop to our left, so I reckon there was beautiful scenery down below, but we couldn't see anything. We did, however, see a huge bird of prey sitting on one of the fence posts to our left, but of course I didn't catch that on camera. He was massive. Just as the fog started to lift, we finally reached Devil's Bridge, so we parked up at a little car park near the Two Hoots Cafe, and of course stopped for a wee coffee. We had a nice wee surprise when we found out that this cafe was actually the train station of the wee old train that we passed earlier on. After a quick coffee and some train spotting, we took a little walk over Devil's Bridge. We did decide not to walk down towards the waterfall because we had quite a bit of mileage still left to do to get to our next destination. But the views were still amazing from the top. Devil's Bridge!
Sunshine today, my horse. How are you feeling?
I'm alright. Lies. I had actually felt so ill today. It was unbelievable. I had a pounding headache and felt really sick, but there was still a lot of biking to be done, and biking always puts a smile on my face no matter what. And little did I know that the deeper that we got into the valleys and the beautiful scenery, my sickness would definitely start to subside. There it is. It didn't take me long to smile again. Riding through the Welsh valleys is honestly the best roads I've ever been on. And surprisingly, the condition of these back roads is so much better than the main roads back home in Northern Ireland. Can you tell I was having fun? A quick stop to get changed out of the wet gear because amazingly the sun has come out.
Is that the rain on again?
Mm-hmm. Back on the road again for our next stop, Eland Valley. These roads are amazing. There's the Elan Valley Dam. We're getting closer. Beware of the kamikaze sheep. There they are there, the little buggers. We made it to Elan Valley not long after Aidan's close encounter with the kamikaze sheep, safe and sound. Elan Valley is one of the most picturesque places to visit in Wales. With 70 square miles of dams, reservoirs and rugged Welsh valleys, we just had to visit here. Turn the tap off. How rude. I was going to say it's got nothing on Spelgadam, but this is pretty cool. Nestled in the heart of the Cambrian Mountains in mid-Wales, the Craiggaw Reservoir is the top dam of Elan Valley. Construction of the dam began in 1897 and was completed in 1904. And the primary purpose of this dam and all the other reservoirs is to supply water to Birmingham. Leaving Wales and the beautiful scenes of Elan Valley, we made our way towards Cinderford, where we were going to stay for the night in the Little Dean Hotel, stopping for a bite to eat before reconnecting with some of Aidan's family and bringing back memories of his home roots. I feel like we need to have a seance in here. 1846. I feel like somebody's already sitting in that chair, so don't sit in it. No, you're sitting on top of somebody. Sit on top of a little ghosty. We're literally walking through a graveyard. Telling you, weird shit happens. It's the ghosts. It's the ghosts. They've just wrecked my camera.
How do you switch this off?